Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we are here to discuss one more activity for English learning, and the name of the activity is how to design an English magazine on a particular theme. So this activity was given by me to the students, and the students did very excellent work. एंड माई थीम वॉज स्पोर्ट्स. मेरा थीम क्या था? स्पोर्ट्स की. पूरी मैगजीन में हमारा स्पोर्ट्स ही रहेगा. एंड द नेम वॉज आउटस्टैंडिंग स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनैलिटी. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव अ मैगजीन made by Divyans, one of my students, and you can see the outer covering. Very good work. It is very creativity. We can see this is the very first page. He has written his name and teacher's name he has written. Next he has pasted some picture, and we have some written details about the player whose picture is pasted. Next, Major Dhyan Chand, Sachin Tendulkar. So in this way he has designed a very good magazine. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Next we have one more made by one of my students. So you can see the front page, very attractive. And in this page, in this magazine, we can see next page, that is written sports. Okay, after that we have parents play an important role in sports. Okay, तो पेरेंट्स का रोल क्या रहता है उसके बारे में ये हमें बताया गया है. और यहाँ पे देखिए आप, लिस्ट ऑफ गेम्स हमें बताया गया है. डेवलपमेंट बेनिफिट्स एंड इमोशनल बेनिफिट्स हैं जो इसके बताए गए हैं यहाँ पर. ऑल्दो द स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर, नो इशू, द क्रिएटिविटी कैन बी सीन. एंड दिस इज मेड बाय, आई थिंक, रूपक इट इज. You can see the picture. Then it is discussed sportsmanship. इस sportsmanship के बारे में यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है. Next page we have some quotes. Quotation है हमारे पास of games. And next we have importance of games. Next we have flow chart. Okay, and we have some things for playing. Okay, here we have one more. This is the outer page of the magazine, and this is the very first page. And in this page also the theme is written. How? In this way the theme is written. Very good it is. Next we have sports, and some kind of note it is here. Means this is a pocket and some kind of instructions are written here. So see, you can see here, this is famous sports person. So the child has done a lot of hard work. You can see here, in this we have a picture of the player and written details. On this page you can see the picture of different players. So how good the child has done. So very good it is. Next we have some more creativity. In this also picture is pasted of a player and some written explanation about the player. Okay, and here we have one more written about PT Usha. Then we have the next one, face of the year PV Sindhu. So you can see the outer page, very attractive it is. And then biography of PV Sindhu and other details are mentioned. National sports of different countries, outdoor sports, indoor games, and famous sports stars are mentioned in this magazine. So it is also very good. Next we have one more, a very good work done by the child. Outer page, theme is sports. Then we have Indian sports personalities. Let's move to next. This is made by Ans, class 7th diamond. This is the very first page of the magazine. And next, picture is not here, no issue. If you want to make like this, you can paste a picture here, then you can write. So in this, here written all the details of Hima Das. Let's move to next. This is made by Yachika, 7th choral, very front page. And after that, theme is sports and pictures are pasted and written about the different players. Okay. MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Vishwanath Anand. And then one motivational story is also added in the magazine. Very, very good work. And at last we have one more, the bigger one, outstanding sports personality. So this is a very big magazine. Kalpana Chawla summary. So you can see the work of the child made by Jay Goyal. Very good work. Different players with their pictures and their details. See, it is also good. Very good. And this is the last page of the magazine. So I have shown you many examples, many magazines designed by my students. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.